The MG ZS was recently launched in July this year. But this is not the all-new MG ZS. This was actually the last facelift back in 2021, but this episode is a 3-year review of a China-made car. Yes, I'm a mom and yes, I drive. Back in 2007, SAIC Motors acquired MG Motors and shifted the manufacturing to China. So sabi nila, pag China-made, disposable daw, pangmatagalan ba talaga? But with all of the emerging brands out there like BYD, you have Geely, you have Chang'an, talagang usong-uso siya. So we really want to understand if this car is up to par. So let's start off with the looks. It's very modern, very sleek, definitely something that stood out back in 2021. Nakaka-premium din itong chrome-trimmed grills niya over here. And then you also have the projector headlamps. It's very sporty but still very approachable. Hindi siya ganun ka-bulky, hindi rin siya ganun ka-skinny. It's actually just the right oomph. So let's get into the heart of this car. This is a 1.5-liter engine. It's not hybrid, it's not turbo, it's just straight up. Definitely can get you from one place to another. All of your mom errands, going to school, going to the bank, going to grocery, and even driving along EDSA. This car can do the job. Kahit sino magtatanong, ang crossover ba ay pwede sa baha? Tingnan natin itong MG ZS Alpha. This one has 164mm ground clearance, so it's okay for minor floods. Pwede siya for mga steep driveways, yung mga parking ramps. But definitely, wag nyo nang subukan sa mga matataas na baha kasi dapat nagsistay safe tayo. This is not a submersible. And also, for our wheels, you can see here that we have 17-inch. And this one has front and back disc brakes already. It has a good tire profile, so you have enough cushion whenever you're going through mga ramps, yung mga potholes, mga humps, ayan. But don't expect na para siyang luxury SUV ha. Definitely, if you want to learn more about the different cars that we have here on Yes I Drive, please hit subscribe and also like this video and share it to your friends. Okay, let's go to the back of the car. Woohoo! Back of the car, let's go. This one is our wiper. This is our wipers. We also have here our tail lights. You have the reflectors, and this one is really cute because you have the emblem, and when you push it like so, it's actually a manual tailgate, and you can open the back of the car. Ta-da! So ito yung space sa likod ng kotse, and here meron tayong to know. Pangalan nito is for you to know. So kung gusto mo mag-coffee break, pwede mo na i-coffee break dito sa likod. And then you can actually just lift this at isabit. Yan, yung kabila kasi nawala yung sabitan, sabi ng owner. But it's cute pa rin naman. And then you can put all of your stuff inside. So I think this is time for another Yas Tax! Alright, let's see if this large luggage can fit. Kasya naman. Oh, actually, dapat tanggalin ko na pala ang tuno para magkasya ang aking stroller. Kung hindi na naman kasama si baby. Ganyan, kapag hindi siya kasama. Kung gusto mo siyang isama, tanggalin mo na lang ito. But kung carry lang, parang husband and wife date, why not? Just, ito na lang. Oh, you know what? Actually, pwede kong ipatong. Yun lang, pag nag-break, good luck. First impression, very maaliwala siya. And also, it has two-toned leather seats. So, ang ganda ng blue. Blue? Ano yan? Colorblind. Meron siyang brown tsaka black na two-tone leather seats. It makes it really premium kahit hindi siya ganun kamahal compared to other SUVs. You know what? While I was scanning the inside space, alam nyo, mas makakatulong talaga kapag meron tayong banana for scale. Tawagan natin si Ivana Banana! Wow! Meron tayong pasaging dito, si B1. So, meron tayong banana for scale for today. Ivana, kamusta ka naman? Kamusta? Hindi nagsalita yung saging natin.
Grabe na po ang saging na YouTube.
So, itong banana for scale natin makakatulong para makita natin kung talaga bang efficient yung spacing niya. Anong tingin mo, Ivana?
Actually, yes. Kasyang-kasya naman po ang aking saging.
Tapos, yung ating seats naman, I think kaya naman to for 3, no, sa likod. And then dalawa sa harap, so total of 5. Pero kung meron kang car seat, pwede rin. So, pag may car seat ka, siguro medyo masikip na yun, no, pag tatlo sa likod. So, maybe just 2 at the back and then 2 in front. So, 4 pag may car seat. Anong pakiramdam mo naman dun sa iyong headroom, sa inyong comfort level?
Okay naman siya. Kasya naman yung tangkay ko dito. So, fit na fit. Ay,
Yung tangkay
yung
ko,
hat ko.
hindi masyado. Medyo bitin ko pa sa tangkay.
Ayan.
So, kung may tangkay ka, kasyang-kasya. Time to get serious. Yan. At syempre, every time na nalalagay natin tong salamin na to, tinatawag na natin ang totoong may-ari ng kotseng to. And today, it's going to be Yana!
Hi! Hi mga kayid! I am a huge fan. Makakasisitalt agad.
Hello! Si Yana pala guys ay isa sa mga producers natin.
Yeah.
Sa mga kayid.
Yeah.
Share more about who you are, what you like doing, and why you got this car in the first place.
Hi, I'm Iana. So I'm a 30-year-old working gal. So the reason why I wanted this, kasi I wanted a Mazda. And this car looked like, or medyo may resemblance siya sa CX-5. Tapos, syempre, nung time na yon, hindi naman ako yung nagbayad nito. Parang medyo nakakahiyang humingi ng mahal. So, ito yung kinuha ko.
We want to learn more about Yana, pero magsa-start na tayong mag-drive. Okay? Okay. Naka-on rin pala ang ating kotse. Alright, let's start driving. Tama?
Yes.
Si D over S. Bakit
Yes.
may S?
Oh, that's sport mode. Surprisingly, may sport mode siya.
Yung overall look niya actually may pagka-sporty vibe, pero it's still very sleek. So, after 3 years, ano yung mga masasabi mong nagustuhan mo talaga dito sa kotse ito, tsaka yung hindi mo nagustuhan?
Actually, the car, it's just a normal car. I don't think may extra ganap siya. It serves its purpose. Producer mode tayo ngayon. Yan. Okay, so the car is very straightforward. It serves its purpose. Siyempre, nandiyan yung infotainment and all the other nice stuff. But for me, what makes me want to get another MG unit is the after sales. Sobrang nagulat ako. I thought it's gonna be like, Pero,
Anong experience?
a year into owning it, nagkaroon siya ng parang rattling sound. So apparently may lumuwag lang na screw. Responsibility ko siya.
Right.
So, sobrang na-planning ako. Sabi nila na may lumuwag lang. So, they tightened up the screw. Tapos okay na siya. But I think the most crucial one is nung nabaha yung car. So, after a week, they were able to like fix it already. Which is super bilis. The ground clearance and the way na the engine is positioned daw, it's a bit higher. So, hindi siya inabot. So, wag niyo pa rin gagawin. Kasi hassle.
Kasi hindi siya submarine.
Oo, wag guys. But my parents, they were hesitating. I think that's the perfect. Especially my dad.
Oo.
Kasi he's ano ba yan? He's a Ford apologist. He loves Ford so much. So, parang,
Ano siya doon? Suki siya doon.
yeah, magpapalit siyang sasakyan, pero Ford pa rin. And then later on, we realized na majority of the cars din pala are getting manufactured in China. So what's the point of having that
Right.
stigma?
Parang normal naman siya. Minamanufacture naman talaga sa China.
Yes.
And siguro parang since it started out as a European car, meron ka pa ring in a way trust
Yes.
that it went through a lot of standard processes. Ganyan. Magkano to before?
When we got it, 998.
Oh, not bad.
Yeah, top of the line na yun.
Right.
Pero yung entry niya was, I think, at around 700.
Oh,
not bad.
oo nga. So, perfect din nga talaga if you're looking for your first car.
My mom said na yung first...
Sorry po.
Sige, okay lang. The banana...
Ubong-ubo na siya, guys.
Yung banana natin medyo nahihirapan na siya. But going back sa first car, my mom said, yung first car mo kasi parang siyang bumper car mo lang. So expect mo na magkakaroon siya ng gas-gas, na hindi mo siya maalagaan the way you would in your next car.
So parang binigyan ka ng license to,
Yeah.
to sort of figure out how to not bump your car, but if it does get some dents, it's okay, ganyan. Pansin ko ang dami rin yung mga fun features. So,
Yeah.
there's a sunroof over here, the infotainment,
Yes.
and napansin ko rin yung...
Oh no, someone's calling.
May tumatawag.
Who is this? Oh, it's her pet.
Speaking of fun features, before I got caught by a phone call. Ang galing, meron pala siyang pa-Bluetooth. So, narinig ko yung kring-kring dito sa ating infotainment system.
Actually, may CarPlay siya. So, pero manual lang.
Nakita ko rin yung sunroof. Ginamit mo na yung sunroof. Sige.
Yeah, saya siya.
Saya.
Yeah. Pero the thing about this one,
Mainit?
Yes.
Mainit.
One of the few things I don't like is the cover of this sunroof is mesh. So it's relatively thin compared to yung usual na like solid siya. So we got the car around April, May. Summer season, ang init.
Super init.
So, may times na kahit naka-blast na yung aircon, pawis yung legs ko kasi naka-leather seats. Di ba, ganda-gandahan ako, tapos pawis-pawis din.
Ano mga upgrades ginawa niya? So, ceramic tint.
Ceramic tint, and then yung isa for, lang siya, vanity, yung coating din for yung paint.
Ano yung usually na ginagamit mo sa mga upgrades here?
Oh, since I'm paying for my bills, I always look for the gas consumption.
What's your tansyometer with the gas spent?
Oh, tansyometer, siguro pag city driving, ang baba, pero 9 to 11 kilometers per liter. Pero kapag sa expressways, mga 12 to 15. So may iba't ibang options yan. Makikita nyo kung ilang kilometers na yung tinakbo nyo, ilan pa yung natitira sa gas nyo. So yun yung pinaka-useful for me. Plus sa music. Not sure if this is safe. Again, don't quote me on this. Pero kaya mo mag one-hand drive. Unlike even yung sa steering wheel, if you wanna adjust, if you want it a bit loose, hindi ko alam kung loose pa yung tamang term, mas magaan, you can adjust it here.
Paano?
There. Tinan mo, sasakyan ko ba talaga? Hindi ko alam kung
Sa car.
sa car. Yan, steering. So, may urban, may normal, may dynamic. Let's try urban.
Okay, urban is...
Yan, so I'm not sure if it's mas maluwag.
Oo nga, medyo mas maluwag siya.
Yeah, di ba? First time ko siya matry. So, it works.
Yes.
After 3 years, nag-work pala siya.
Ano yung dynamic?
Dynamic is, I think, mas mabigat ng slide.
Gets! Meron siyang konting tigas compared sa normal kanina. So, given na merong bagong release yung MG ZS Alpha this July, sa tingin mo ba you'll make the switch, an upgrade?
I'm considering of making an upgrade. I'm not sure though if I'm gonna get the hybrid version of this one.
Right.
Kasi the car is still performing really well. Huwag ka magtatampo. Ulit. Pero hindi ko ba na-feel na kailangan ko na siyang palitan. So if ever I'm gonna make an upgrade, maybe not the same size. If my dad is a Ford apologist, I may be. Too early to say. Isa pa lang naman yung MG ko. Pero I may be like an MG apologist. I like their after sales more than anything. Or kung MG man, yung Marvel nila, which is a fully electric car. Baka yun. But hindi ko pa kasi ito kaya i-let go.
And you let her go.
Sayang eh.
Sentimental value and good memories.
Yeah.
Yan. So, kailangan mo pa siyang dalhin sa maraming places.
Konti pa.
Konti pa. So, since sabi mo na pamahal ka na dito sa kotseng to, do you think that you would keep this for 10 years?
We just reached the 3-year mark. So I'm still at that point na baka hindi siya umabot ng 10 years. 5 years, medyo complacent ako din eh. Since medyo mas marunong na ako mag-alaga ng sasakyan, I know how to take care of, what to do to not wreck your car, Chase.
Tsaka may budget.
Medyo may pambayad na ako, ganun. Nandun na yung headspace ko ngayon. If I'm gonna get an upgrade, yun yung consideration ko. I want it na pang long-term na talaga siya. Like, long-term.
So after that test drive with Yana, I've realized that it's not really about where the car is made, but it's more about how that brand would support the after-sales service here in our country. So if you're looking for a China-made car that is sulit but still very practical, this is a Yas for you. So don't let the stigma of buying a China-made car stop you from getting a sulit ride. This has been Yas, I'm a mom, and Yas I Drive.